sure we all love performance mods. The roar of an aggressive exhaust, the adrenaline rush of extra horsepower, and the pure thrill of a car that feels faster than ever. But here's the dark secret most drivers don't realize. Many of these so-called upgrades are actually silent killers for your engine. Sure, they deliver a quick burst of excitement, but behind the scenes, they're shaving years off your engine's life and setting you up for costly repairs. Imagine chasing more speed, only to end up with a blown motor and a repair bill that could buy you another car. That's why in today's video, we're pulling back the curtain on 8 performance mods that secretly destroy your engine. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the very end, because the last one isn't just dangerous. It's one of the biggest scams flooding the internet right now. Number 8. Cold air intakes done wrong. Cold air intakes are often advertised as simple performance upgrades, but when installed or chosen incorrectly, they can do more harm than good. A poorly designed intake can let in more hot air from the engine bay instead of cold air, which actually reduces performance rather than improving it. Some cheap kits lack proper filtration, allowing dust and debris to enter the engine, which accelerates wear and can even cause serious internal damage. Incorrect placement of the intake can also lead to water ingestion during heavy rain or puddles, resulting in hydrolock and catastrophic engine failure. Many drivers don't realize that the factory intake is already engineered for balance between performance and protection, so an untested aftermarket option may throw off that balance. Even small mistakes like loose clamps or poor sealing can cause vacuum leaks, triggering check engine lights and rough idling. Done wrong, a cold air intake doesn't just waste money, it can silently shorten your engine's life. Number 7. ECU tuning remapping. ECU tuning or remapping is often seen as a quick way to unlock hidden horsepower, but when done carelessly, it can be a ticking time bomb for your engine. By altering factory-set parameters like fuel injection, ignition timing, and turbo boost, an improper tune can push components far beyond their safe limits. Many cheap or generic remaps are not tailored to your specific car, leading to knocking, overheating, or premature wear on pistons and valves. Even worse, a bad tune can upset the delicate balance between performance and emissions, causing your car to fail inspections or throw constant error codes. While professional ECU tuning can safely boost performance, poorly executed remapping can drastically shorten the lifespan of your engine. Number 6. Straight pipe exhaust systems. Straight pipe exhaust systems are often praised for giving cars a raw, aggressive sound and freeing up exhaust flow, but they come with serious drawbacks when done wrong. Removing catalytic converters and mufflers may slightly increase horsepower, but it also makes the car unbearably loud and illegal in many places. The lack of back pressure can upset the engine's tuning, sometimes reducing low-end torque and making daily driving less enjoyable. In many cases, resale value drops because buyers see a straight-piped car as abused or unreliable. While the sound might be thrilling, a straight-pipe system often sacrifices comfort, legality, and long-term engine health. Number 5. Aftermarket turbo or supercharger kits. Aftermarket turbo or supercharger kits promise massive power gains, but if installed incorrectly, they can quickly destroy an engine. These forced induction systems increase air pressure in the combustion chamber, which also demands precise fueling, cooling, and stronger internal components. Many cheap kits lack proper tuning support, leading to lean air-fuel mixtures that cause detonation and piston damage. Without upgraded intercoolers and cooling systems, the added heat can overwork the engine and cause head gasket failures. While they can unlock incredible performance, aftermarket kits done wrong often turn a reliable car into a money pit of constant repairs. Number 4. Nitrous oxide kits. Nitrous oxide kits are one of the most popular performance mods because they offer instant horsepower at the push of a button, but they come with serious risks if not used correctly. When injected into the intake, nitrous allows more oxygen into the combustion chamber, which can dramatically boost power output. However, this sudden surge of power puts extreme stress on the pistons, rods, and crankshaft, often leading to catastrophic engine failure if the engine isn't built to handle it. While racers may see it as a cheap shortcut to more speed, in reality, it often shortens the engine's lifespan dramatically. Used responsibly with proper upgrades and tuning, nitrous can be effective, but for most street cars, it's more of a ticking time bomb than a safe performance boost. Number 3. Poorly installed intercoolers. Poorly installed intercoolers can completely ruin the benefits they're meant to provide, turning a performance upgrade into a hidden danger. An intercooler's job is to cool compressed air from a turbo or supercharger, but bad placement or loose piping often leads to heat soak, reducing power instead of increasing it. If the pipes aren't sealed correctly, boost leaks can occur, causing the engine to run rich or lean, which damages pistons and valves over time. Mounting an intercooler too close to hot engine parts also cancels out its cooling effect, making the upgrade pointless. Done wrong, a poorly installed intercooler doesn't just waste money. It can shorten engine life and kill overall reliability. Number 2. High-performance spark plug. High-performance spark plugs are often marketed as an easy way to unlock extra horsepower, but the truth is more complicated than most drivers realize. These plugs are designed to handle higher compression, boosted engines, or racing conditions, but in a stock car, they rarely add any noticeable power. Installing the wrong type can actually harm performance, causing misfires, poor fuel economy, and even engine knocking if the heat range isn't correct. Some cheap aftermarket plugs wear out faster than OEM ones, forcing more frequent replacements. When chosen incorrectly, instead of boosting power, high-performance spark plugs can quietly chip away at your engine's reliability. Number 1. Performance camshaft. A performance camshaft is often seen as the heart of an engine upgrade, but it can be a double-edged sword when chosen or installed incorrectly. By altering valve timing and lift, a camshaft can increase horsepower at higher RPMs, but this often comes at the cost of low-end torque and drivability. Many drivers are surprised when their car feels sluggish in daily traffic because the cam is designed for racing, not street use. Improper installation or poor tuning after the upgrade can lead to valve float, misfires, or even catastrophic engine damage. Supporting upgrades like stronger valve springs, better fuel delivery, and ECU tuning are usually required, but many skip them to save money. So there you have it, 11 performance mods that might look cool, sound great, or give you quick thrills. But deep down, they're secretly destroying your engine. Remember, true performance is about balance, reliability, and smart upgrades, not shortcuts that cost you in the long run.